Good morning, everyone. A mixture of clouds and sun will greet you as you head out to work or school this morning. Let's take a look at your weather headlines for today. Again, we'll see a mix of clouds and sunshine as a warm front is now a stationary front down to our south, focusing where most of the clouds will remain this afternoon. Mild and dry through the weekend, and we're still watching all eyes on Sandy as Tropical Storm Sandy is gaining strength over the Caribbean. And the latest model data does show it looks like she will have an impact on our weather coming up later on the end of the weekend all the way into early next week. So it could be a long duration storm. I'll have more details on that in just a few minutes. But first, taking a look at your satellite radar composite over our area. Here's our stationary front that is just situated to our south of New England. Southwestern parts of New England are going to be remaining in mostly cloudy skies today. Though as you can see in our area, northeastern Mass from Boston to the North Shore all the way up into northern New England, skies do begin to clear out, so I do expect partly sunny skies in those areas. As you head further west, though, the better chance of some clouds, so you'll see a mixture of clouds and sunshine throughout the rest of today. Your futurecast does show continuation of the clouds streaming from northwest to southeast along that front, and then we start to clear out overnight tonight. And then tomorrow we're going to see mainly sunny skies with a few high clouds entering the region. But then you're going to start to see a southwesterly flow ahead of this next cold front, and it's this cold front right over here. It's just off the screen. It's going to slow down in the atmosphere, and we're going to start to see a blocking pattern set up, which is going to help redirect Sandy, possibly some of its moisture, or possibly Sandy herself, into our region in the end of the weekend. But first, for today, we have an onshore flow, thanks to high pressure up to our north, keeping us cool in New England. The warmer weather is remaining down to the south, which is south of this warm front that is now stationary along the northeast area, just south of our region, so that's why we're going to be remaining in a mix of clouds and sunshine. Temperatures in the 60s to the north of the front, 80s and 70s to the south of that front. We're going to slowly see a moderation of temperatures, though, over the next few days, as our temperatures will reach the middle to upper 60s by Thursday. So here's your late week weather map. We have a lot to talk about. We have a strong trough that is going to be digging down south into the Central Plains states over the weekend along this cold front, with snow to the north and some rain showers along it, with some showers and thunderstorms. That front is going to slowly move eastward as we have a blocking pattern, high pressure way offshore over the Maritimes and the Atlantic. We have Sandy down in the south gaining strength, possibly becoming a hurricane and affecting the coastal regions of Florida. Right now there are tropical storm warnings in that area. And what's going to happen is we're going to be watching Sandy slowly move northward, and then she's going to bow out to sea slightly towards Bermuda. But it looks like as this front does move eastward, the whole system, we call it negatively tilting, which is a blocking pattern, which will tend to draw either the moisture in from Sandy, or we're going to start to see Sandy herself, the whole system, possibly move into our region Sunday through Tuesday. So right now, here's the latest long-range forecast models. Are taking Sandy straight north. They're all in agreement to take her north just east of Florida, and then they have her taking out to sea towards Bermuda. The longer range models, some of them take them all the way back and curve her all the way into New England, and some of them, again, as you can see, take her out to sea over Bermuda. So the exact path of Sandy is still uncertain at this time, though the current National Hurricane Center track does take her up to the north, just east of Florida, and following those models out to sea, but then taking her north back towards New England. And what I do believe will happen, at least, we'll see that cold front move into our region on Sunday, and showers will be entering the region. I think at least a lot of moisture will be thrown in from Tropical Storm Sandy, and we'll start to see some heavier rainfall coming up on Sunday and Monday, and then winds will become a factor as well. The whole intensity of the storm and how much rainfall we receive is still yet to be determined, so stay tuned to further forecasts. Again, here's the possibilities of Sandy going anywhere from New England all the way out to the central Atlantic. With that in mind, let's take a look at your daily planner for today. We're going to see mainly cloudy skies this morning with temperatures in the 40s, becoming drier and a little bit more sunnier throughout the day today, with high temperatures reaching near 60 degrees. Forecast for tonight, it's going to be mainly clear skies, and it will be comfortable but chilly. Low temperatures in the upper 30s inland, lower to middle 40s along the coast. And your forecast right now for Wednesday is looking very nice. For Thursday is looking very nice. Partly plenty of sunshine and comfortable conditions. Temperatures in the lower 60s with a southeast wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now your 5-day forecast, you'll see we do slowly turn milder by Friday with temperatures in the 60s. and that continues into Saturday. But then clouds increase Saturday evening, and then there's that Sunday forecast. Right now I'm forecasting at least rainfall from the cold front, and then some moisture possibly being dragged in from Sandy into that cold front on Sunday. And then Monday and Tuesday, it looks like it possibly could be a very stormy day if impacts of Sandy do pan out to be the worst case scenario. Stay tuned to BurricaWeather.com for the latest updates and all the forecasts. Have a great day.